What's good, y'all? It's Lee.
That's cute.
In today's video, we're gonna be building a fort and chilling, watching movies, all that good stuff.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna cook too. I'm making white rice and beans and Brussels sprouts, and then we're gonna eat avocado too.
We went to the farmer's market last week and got some Brussels sprouts. We've never had them, but we've always wanted to try them, so we're like, fuck it, let's try it.
I heard people make them with like garlic and salt, and that's what I like. I like my food salty and garlicky, so it's like might as well.
And with butter. I love butter.
Oh, wow. I'm excited.
But yeah. Alright, so we're about to go to Family Dollar because we need to get a few more blankets for this fort because we only have like 4 blankets. So yeah. We'll be back.
Hey guys. So we got to the store and we decided that we were going to get this like, did you see that shit? Anyway, we're gonna get this like mattress top or whatever the fuck because we're gonna be sitting on the floor and our ass be hurting. So
you're gonna have scoliosis, so that shit about to go hard when we sleep at night.
That part, yeah. And then we a pillow and a bed sheet so we can use the blankets because we have some blankets at home, but you know,
we need a big ass one.
Yeah.
And then I was thinking we have a tent. I might fuck around and put the tent up.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
And then we don't even have to build, like, you know, when you build that shit and it be like falling on you, and you're struggling, like, that's just gonna give
We're
us
not
structure.
gonna have that.
Architects in this bitch.
Yeah, we're supposed to get snacks, but I don't know because we didn't bring bags and they never have bags here.
It literally says no boys.
Yeah, no, it says no bags. So
I'm gonna put it inside the pillow.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put it inside the pillow and walk like that. Yeah. So let's start getting our snacks today. Start getting our snacks. Get the Cheeto doodles, cheese doodles, guys. Those shits fuck me crying. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. For real.
Let me not put it in there right now. They don't think I'm trying to see it.
They're not though, because they can see right through it, and I work here, so that's why I low-key love coming here because they never.
Not us pacing up and down the aisle.
Sorry. Anyway, I'm trying to like figure out what I want and talk to you guys. It's not working, so I'm gonna pay attention to what I'm doing, and you guys can just watch. What am I getting?
I don't know. You know what? We'll be back when we get our snacks because then you guys are just gonna be watching us be indecisive.
Yeah, that part. Okay, we'll be back, guys. Hey guys.
Hello.
So we have no bags, so we're just carrying.
I mean,
they
gave us a trash bag to put all of our snacks in.
No. My job is low-key ghetto. Like, we have no bags. I don't even think
our bags are literally at the door, and we always forget. I told her I'm gonna make a sign that says
take a bag.
And she's no. Don't even try to act like you've been with it because she's been making fun because she's like, but the bags are right there on the door. Look at us leaving and not taking the bags.
You know what I meant. You know what I meant.
You see words and you're like, read it.
Read it for real. Anyways, guys, so we're gonna walk home, and then when we get home, we will bring you guys back. So you guys could see the update and the setup, and then yeah. See, bye, babe.
The whole process and everything. Yeah. Bye. What's good, y'all? We're back. So we're about to set up. Key's about to cook because it's low-key getting late, and I'm gonna set up. I still have to clear this out because we're gonna do it like in this area right here. We're in the new crib, by the way. That's why it's a different background, different. We're gonna come out with a house tour video real soon, but we're just trying to update it, you know, make it look more homey before we show it off. So yeah, that part. But yeah, I'm gonna set up real quick, and Key's gonna cook, and then we'll be back.
Bye, guys.
What's good, y'all? So as you can tell, I tried putting up the tent because this is supposed to be our base. Like, this is supposed to be our, because we don't got chairs. I mean, we have chairs, but I don't know. Anyway, this is what it looks like underneath. We're gonna leave it like that, but these are too low, so we're gonna move the drawer and my clothing rack so that it could open up all the way, because we're committed to this. We're in this. We're already through the process, and this tent is going up. I don't care. It's happening. So yeah, we'll be back. What's good, y'all? So we got the tent. Keys over here cooking, chefing it up, making them Brussels sprouts. And I got the motherfucking tent up. That shit covers our whole room. Look at that. Literally.
Big ass room to think of it.
Yeah, literally. Well, I mean, there's the bed. We're not even gonna talk about the mess on the bed. It's crazy right now, but you get the vibe. Look under here. That's where we're gonna be chilling. It's gonna be a vibe. Now I'm gonna set it up, and Key's gonna finish cooking. And yeah, say bye, my love.
Bye. Hey guys, so we're gonna go into the fort now. Let's go.
Get the vibe. Got the food. Oy. Got the snacks. And some Netflix.
Netflix.
And yeah. Say bye, baby. Oh, I just bumped my head.
Bye.